Good morning from the Quilted Chicken Farm. Well, it's a little bit after 9, and it's just an awful nice morning out here. I'm going to let you just enjoy just a few minutes of what I listen to sometimes on nice mornings. You hear them roosters crowing? I do have beside me here 2 big motor boxes that I'm fixing to open. And why am I opening them out here? Because they're really heavy. And when the FedEx brought them, they didn't get put in my truck. And so I'm going to have to unload them boxes, 2 of them right there, and put them in my truck. And then take them up to the quilt house, to the quilt shop. Got my second cup of coffee here. I've been up for a few minutes. Not a long time. I didn't get up early this morning. Maybe earlier than some of you, but not early. And Terry's gone to put out hay, and so I thought that I would load these in the truck and make this video while he's gone to do that. So, you ready to see? I'm ready to see what's in them. A little while ago I had Heidi out here with me, and her and that red rooster was in a fight. Now, when I get these open, I may let her out, and then you'll hear the dog and the rooster fight. I still got too many roosters. You hear them crowing? Alright, let's see what's in these boxes. I know that it's motor fabric, and I know it's Sagewood. And I've got a whole lot of bolts to go with the pre-cuts that I've already shown you. But I'll show them, and they'll all be listed on the website before the end of the day. Alright, here goes. Let me move my chair back. Because there's my motor boxes. And my truck's right close, so I won't have to carry them far. And I can carry 2 or 3 bolts at a time. I just don't want to carry this big box. This box is heavy. So here goes. I'm not sure how the light will be. May not be the best light. But the pictures on the website will show you pretty. There's my ticket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 10 in that box, and I think there's 10 in this one. Let me put that. Let me put that where I can find it. I'm gonna set it right there. I put my coffee cup on top of it, keep it from blowing away. Okay. You ready to see? Let's see. Let's go ahead and take this knife and open this one. You hear the little birds? Now, can you see? Can you see there's 10 in that one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 10 in this one. Okay, here goes. Let's just take them out. It's the Sagewood collection. There's one of them. There's 2. Ooh, that one's pretty. They're all pretty. That's 3. 4. 5. 6. I tell you what, I'm going to start putting them in the truck. Let me turn you. My little truck is right there. Let's go load these. They've got to get up to the store, don't they? Oh, how pretty is that one? Got dragonflies on it. That's another one with dragonflies. That one has a black background with the peachy oranges on it. And I think there's only 10 yards on each one of those bolts. I got them. I can carry that many, but I couldn't pick up 10 at a time. these out here, I'll have the front and the back both full. Now, that's all of those. Well, these have got some lighter colors in it. They're pretty. And I don't have them all over here. I'm trying to see which ones I'd want to put together. I'm not showing them real close to you. Use that as a binding. Wouldn't that be a pretty binding? Oh, this one's got little tiny. That looks like a vintage print almost on it. Oh, and pink. I've got to... No, I was going to say I've got to start making something. Here's one that's just kind of got the pink, but it's not all floral. That one's not floral. Oh, that one's not either, other than it's pink. Oh, and this one, oh, this one's sweet too. Look at that one. Let's see, what would you put together? Let's look, let's decide. Now, they're not all over here, but those two, and, well, I think, and get a big print, kind of like that. Wouldn't those three be pretty together? Just picking something real quick. Maybe those three. I like those three together. If you was making like an easy little 3-yard quilt, wouldn't that be nice? Anyway, I've got to load them in the truck, take them up to the shop, and I'll take this paper here and I'll get them all loaded onto the web store, you know, Rita's Quilted Chicken Farm. So that's what I've got planned. Let me open this door, see if little Heidi will come out. Heidi, you want to come out and say hi to him? There she goes. Did you see her go by? I guarantee you she's going to go over there and start calling that rooster. I think they both like to just aggravate each other. So she'll go over there and bark, and that rooster will see her and come. We've come to her. We've got a whole lot of the chickens penned up, but there's still 5 or 6 roosters that's running out. Alright, that's my morning chat with you, showing you the fabric. I've got work to do, so I better get at it. See y'all later. Bye for now. Find that button. Okay, hitting it now. Bye.